Good morning, children. Hope you all are fine. Today we'll see Unit 3. Unit 3 poem. I am Every Woman, written by Rakhi Narayani Shraik. We'll see what Rakhi Narayani Shraik says in a poem, children. This poem talks about the multifaceted nature of women. Today's women are empowered, brave, strong and resolute. Isn't it? The poem says about the multifaceted and different nature of women. You know, each and every woman, she has her own nature. So the poem talks about different nature of women. And today's women, you might be knowing, they are really courageous, not like olden days women. Today's women, they are empowered, brave, strong and resolute they are. Resolute in the sense, what, children? They are determined to do whatever comes the way. They are always ready to take up new ventures. New venture in the sense, new risk. Whatever risk comes in the life, no, children, any difficulty. Today's woman, no, she is not scared of anything. She undertakes all that comes on her way. Sometimes even difficult task also she undertakes. They are persistent and work tirelessly to prove that they are capable of. Nowadays women, no, she doesn't get tired very soon like past women. Nowadays women, no, she continues her work tirelessly, though she is tired also, no, she continues her work. She proves that she is capable of anything. She is not less than men. Today's present women, no, they prove that they are no more less than men. Women have to be treated respectfully for the growth of a nation. Isn't it, children? For sure, no? Not like those days women. To the present days, each and every woman, she look forward for her respect. And they are bound to be respected. Okay, now let us see the poem. What Rakhi Narayani Shraik, she says in this poem. Let us go deep into the poem, children. Let us see the poem now. A woman is beauty innate, a symbol of power and strength. She puts her life at stake. She is real, she is not fake. A woman is beauty innate. Innate in the sense, inborn and nature. By to be real, no, children, women are beautiful than men. As far as I have seen, as far as I have admired people, women are beautiful than men. That is what my view, but some may agree, some may not agree. But the poem says, no, by nature women are beautiful. A symbol of power and strength. Each and every woman, no, she is symbol for her own power and strength. No men can say, no, women are weak. To the present days, women are weak. No men can justify like that. Women, they are powerful and strength. Strength in the sense, they are bold enough. She puts her life at stake. To the present woman, no, any woman for that sake, she puts her life at stake. At stake in the sense, at risk. She never thinks, no, this is danger, this we cannot do, this work only men can do, women cannot do, nothing of that sort. Whatever work comes to her way, she takes up that work. She is real, she is not fake. Woman, real in the sense, woman, no, she is truth. Woman is considered to be for truth. She is not fake. Not fake in the sense, no false in her. Fake, na, false. The summer of her life, she is ready to see in spring. She says, spring will come again, my dear. Let me care for the one who is near. She is the woman, she is no fear. The summer of life, she is ready to see in spring. What does she mean, the summer of life? Whatever the difficulties come her way, she is ready to go on with that. The summer of life, no, she is very optimistic in her approach, even at times of adversity. At times of difficulty also, no, she approaches in a positive way. She says, spring will come again, my dear. Spring will come in the sense, happy days will come again. No, she never breaks up her heart, or she never goes vexed. She has that determination. Sometimes in life, hardships goes, for sure, good days will come. Let me care for the ones who are near. Here the poet, she says, woman, no, she is bothered to care her family. Either no, they are relatives or family members, whatever it is. Woman, she bothers whoever it is near to her. No, she bothers to take care of them. She is the woman. She has no fear. For sure, no woman, she fears to take care of any person or to face any difficulty. The poem says, children, how bold to the present days, how bold women are. No, the poem reflects that. Okay, let us see now third para, children. The poem is very easy with its wordings. It is in simple lines, simple words where you have a glance, no, children, for sure you will understand. Strong is she in her faith and beliefs. Persistence is the key to everything, says she. Despite the sighs and groans and moans, she is strong in her faith, firm in her belief. Okay. Strong is she in her faith and belief. Women, no, they are very strong, children. Physically and mentally, women are strong. Women, they are compared to physical strength, no, mentally they are more stronger. In the faith and belief, they are strong enough. Persistence is the key to everything. What do you mean by persistence? Persistence in the sense determination. Once when they determine anything, no, for sure they finish up their work. They don't give up the work just like that. It is up to the time they determine. But if they determine, no, they stand to the task. What they determine, they withhold to the task. Says she, despite the sighs and groans and moans, woman says. What does a woman say? Despite, in spite of sighs. Sighs in the sense expressing grief. And groans. Groans, complaining, mourning, all sad things. In spite of all the bad happening or ups and downs in life, sometimes, something might go wrong, people might complain, or some sad happenings happen. Whatever happens, she withstands strong. She is strong in her faith, firm in her belief. Yes. How does she stand strong, children? With her strong faith and firm in belief, women, they stand strong. She is lioness, don't mess with her. She'll not spare you if you're a pranker. Don't ever try to sow her pride, her self-respect. She knows how to thaw you, saw you. So beware. No? She's a lioness. Don't mess with her. Don't mess with her in the sense, don't tease her or don't play any jokes with her. Don't show your arrogancy towards women. That is what the poet means to say. She is lioness. Lioness, you would have seen the ferocious lion. Here a poet is comparing woman to the lioness. So don't mess with her. Don't play your tricks with the woman. That is safer for you. To whom is the poet saying this? The poet is reflecting to the men, asking men, oh men, don't play with women. Don't think women are weak. No more women are weak to the present days. She is like a lion. She is a lioness. So beware of her. She'll not spare you if you're a pranker. She will not spare you in the sense, she will not excuse you if you play any mischief with her. Prankers in the sense, mischief. If you play any mischief with her, she will not leave you. So be careful. Don't show your tricks towards women. Yeah, author, she's bombarding men indirectly. Don't ever try to sow her pride, her self-respect. Don't ever try to sow her pride. Sow her pride, don't ever disgrace her. Sow in the sense cut or disgrace her. Don't disgrace her. Don't play with her self-respect. Don't play with her pride. Each and every man or woman, they have their own pride, isn't it, children? The same way. Many men, they have that thought, thinking that women, they don't have any pride in them. But women, they do have more pride than men. So poet says, oh men, don't play tricks with women. Do respect her. She knows how to thaw you, saw you, so beware. No, poet, she says, she knows how to thaw you. Thaw you in the sense, women know how to soften you, how to freeze you. Thaw you, no, which means soften you or freeze you. And saw you. So, beware. Beware in the sense, be careful. Oh men, be careful when you approach near women. Don't play tricks with her. Do respect her. Poet is saying, no, treat women in respect, she says. She is today's woman. Today's woman, dear. Love her, respect her, keep her near. So finally what the poet says? The poet says, to the present days, no women are scared. They are not afraid of anything because she is today's woman. Today's lady she is. Today's woman, dear. No, poet is emphasizing these words. Today's woman in the sense, today's women, they are bold enough. They are courageous. No, they walk step to step with men. They march along with men. No women are scared or they stand backward. They are forward than men. Some women at some works they are really forward than men. So author says, the poet says, oh men, today's woman she is. Today's woman, dear. Dear in the sense, be careful. That's the meaning. Love her, respect her, keep her near. Love her, na? Think her one among you. Respect her, keep her near. Respect each and every woman. She might be of any relation to you. Do respect. She might be known to you or unknown to you. Whoever the woman is, respect the woman. That's the meaning. Love her in the sense, respect her in all the means. Keep her near you. Near you in the sense, think her one among you. As if you are the human, the same way women are also human. So don't no way think women are lesser than men. Women are equal to men. How nice is this poem, no children? Very good. I really enjoy this. Okay. Now, I'll tell you children, this is a memory poem here. You have to memorize entire poem children. You must memorize full poem. This is memory poem children. I tell you, all these all the 4 stanzas you have to memorize children. Clear? So, be sure of memorizing all the stanzas children. And now coming to the appreciation part. Yes, shall we see some lines? Shall we see what the appreciation says? The summer of life she is ready to see in spring. She says, spring will come again, my dear. Let me care for the ones who are near. Okay, these are the lines. So within these lines, you will go on with the explanation part. What does the word summer means here? Yes, children, what does the word summer means here? Good and prosperous. Summer means in the sense good and prosperous. Okay, how does she take life? She takes life optimistically. Who takes life? Woman takes life optimistically. What does she mean by spring will come again? Future will be better. Good days will come again. Spring will come again in the sense our future will be better and good days will come again. Okay, next. Strong is she in her faith and belief. Persistence is the key to everything, says she. What is the strong about? What is she strong about? She is strong in her faith and belief. How does she deal with the adversities in life? She is strong in her faith and belief. With this attitude, she deals with the adversities. Despite the sighs and groans and moans, she is strong in her faith, firm in her belief. Okay. Is she complaining about the problems of life? No, woman, she doesn't complain about the problems of life. Pick out the words that show her grit. Which are the words, children, that shows her grit? In the given lines, which are the words that shows her grit? strong and firm. The second line you could see, strong and firm. This line shows her grit. Her grit in the sense her courage. Don't ever try to saw her pride, her self-respect. She knows how to thaw you, saw you. So beware. What do the words thaw and saw mean here? Thaw and saw in the sense freeze and cut. Thaw and saw in the sense freeze and cut. What is the tone of the author? The tone of the author is threatening, isn't it? Poet is threatening over here. She is threatening to the men. Oh men, be careful with women. Okay. She is today's woman. Today's woman, dear. Love her, respect her, keep her near. Describe today's woman according to the poet. Today's woman is empowered, brave, strong and determined in all what she decides and does. How should a woman be treated? Woman should be treated with love and respect. Okay, next. Read the lines and identify the figure of speech, children. Here the lines are given. A woman is beauty innate, a symbol of power and strength. She puts her life at stake. She is real. She is not fake. So regarding to these lines, here some questions are given. Pick out the rhyming words from the above lines. What are the rhyming words, children? The rhyming words are stake and fake. See the last two lines, end word. Only those words are rhyming. Stake and fake. Innate and strength, they are not rhyming. So stake and fake alone, it is rhyming. For rhyming words and rhyming scheme, children, you must check the last words of the line. See, I'm highlighting. Okay, last two words of the line: innate, strength, stake, fake. To this last two words only you must check. Now here rhyming words. Which are the rhyming words? Stake and fake are rhyming. Okay. Then add another word to the rhyme with it. Now we'll see the next question. Add another word that rhyme with it. Another word in the sense you can give your own word. He is asking another word that rhymes with it. What is the another word that rhymes? Take, make, any word you can. He is asking only one word. So take, make, any word you can go on, children. Now give the rhyme scheme for the above lines. Rhyme scheme, I said no. For rhyming words and rhyming scheme, you must focus only on the last words of the line. Now see, innate. Innate you will write ye. Whatever the word it is. Always know first line, last word, it is ye. Whatever the word may be, children, it is ye. The next line, last word, strength. Is strength rhyming to innate? It's not rhyming, no? So you must go to the next alphabet, you must go. What is the next alphabet? B. You must go B. Now stake. Third line, last word is stake. Is stake rhyming to strength? Rhyming to innate? It is not rhyming. So what you should do? You must go to third letter of the alphabet. Next alphabet you must go. C. Now next line, fake. Now fake is rhyming to stake. It is rhyming. No, fake, stake, it is rhyming. So what alphabet you wrote to stake? You wrote C. The same C you will carry down for fake. Why you are carrying down? Why you are writing the same letter? Because both the words are rhyming. Stake and fake, they rhyme. That is why you write C. Now what is the rhyming scheme over here? A, B, C, C. What's the rhyming scheme? A, B, C, C. Okay. Now let us see next lines. She's a lioness. Don't mess with her. She'll not spare you if you're a pranker. Okay. Now what is the questions over here? Pick out the lines that has a metaphor in it. Metaphor in the sense indirect comparing. Now which line says metaphor? Look at the first line here. She's a lioness. Lioness. Here poet is comparing woman to lioness. It is metaphor. That is why. You see, indirectly poet is trying to compare woman to lioness. So it is metaphor. Okay, next question. Give your examples of metaphor to describe the qualities of a woman. Okay. Now, how do you say, give some quality, children, other quality? No, she is a rock. Woman, no, you can compare woman to a rock. The other quality what the poet talks in this poem is, the poet compares woman to the rock. Okay. Now next. She is strong in her faith, firm in her belief. What's the question here? Pick out the alliterated word from the above. Now from these lines, now what are the alliterated word? Faith and firm. See, FF, both the words starts from F. So faith and firm are the alliterated words. Pick out other alliterated words from the poem. So you will do with children. Okay, each and every line you can check and pick out the alliteration words. Alliteration words you will pick out from individual line. You should not compare one word, one line to the other line, children. From individual word you will pick out the lines. So entire poem you can pick out alliteration words. Now let us see. Fill in with a word in each blank to complete the summary of the help box. To complete the summary of the poem. Help box given below. Okay, use the help box, children. See here the help box is given. You can see the box. So answer is here in the box. With the help of this box you will pick up the answer. I am trying to make it short, children, so that it will be easy for you to write. Okay, I'll make it bigger. Okay. Every woman is beautiful, innate. She is the dash. She is the symbol of power and strength. She is prone to put her life at risk. Every woman is true in expressing her love, and she is never fake. She is never fake. She is very optimist. She is very optimist. Children, for the answer you check up the box given above. Okay, for the spellings all check up the box given above. She is optimist in her approach, even at times of adversity. Times of adversity. She finds a ray of hope, and she continues to care for her dignified ones. She is the woman, and she has no fear. I'm going slow so that you could write the answer, children. She is forceful in her faith and belief. She is never a quitter, and she is persistent. She is ferocious like a lioness. It's better for the prankers to stay away from her. Never should one try to bring disgrace to her pride and self-respect, for she knows how to saw and saw them. Saw and saw them. She is today's woman. It is healthier to love her, respect her, and to keep her near. Okay, so hope you have understood the poem, children. Now answer the following in a paragraph of above 80 to 100 words. I'll send you the notes, but anyways, children, do learn the poem. This is memory poem, children. Once again, I am reminding you, I want you to memorize full poem, children. Do learn the poem. See, you have star over there on top of the poem. The title of the poem, you have a star, which means, see, wherever you come across this star, it is a memory poem. Where there is star near the poem, it is a memory poem. So do memorize entire poem, children. Hope you would have understood the poem. Yes.